Hey guys, we're going to make this space lighter, so let's go do some shopping. I think I'm going to be able to find a lot of things that I need at IKEA, but first we need something to eat while we walk into the store. Ooh, I found the things that I wanted. To make the curtains have that certain fold. Nice. I'll take 2 of these. 40. We made it back home to fix up the space. Let's get to it. This is the final look. This is what it looks like. You see how uniformed it is, and the spaces here just allows the pleating to happen. And this is what the internal part look like, just like that. All right, that's upside down, so let's turn it the right way. So this is what it should look like internally. The part with threads is what you need to cover. What needs to be on the inside, like right here. Now I'll show you what I did, which was wrong. So I left the part with the threads out. This is so wrong. The style that I'm going for is associated with minimalism. Why? Because I need a space with less clutter. I need all the light I can get, because the way 2024 have been going, I do not need winter depression in addition to everything else that's been really happening in my life and in this world.
Every mistake you have made is there to show you a better way for yourself. So when you're in the middle of a mistake, the thing to do is to ask it, what are you here to teach me? What is it I'm not getting?
Beverly Johnson. So it's time to change my braces rubber. Yeah, it's time to change my braces rubber, so I'm excited about that. This right before Christmas. My teeth will be a little sore for a few days. It's time for an upgrade. I need a little bit more help. Hey, she needs a call right here. All right, so I got my rubbers changed. I can't wait for this to be over.